Hey guys, Chris is over, and I'm talking about cooking all of those cookie cake. I use a cookie cake. Cookie cake coming up! Welcome to a muffle show of dressing kitchen. And you and I will be that up. And we always cut it into the two ingredients. Maybe I'm gonna cook it. I'm gonna them. I'm gonna make a dough. Hey, that's something. We have eggs, right? Vanilla cake, M&M's, oil, and sprinkles. And you can get it from the recipe as food. So, let's blend it up. First, you gotta get the M&M's in another big bowl. Keep it coming at you. Oh, open it up, coming at you. Burn bits. Get the scissors. Give me it out. Give it up. Coming at you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, kind of and coming at you. Hey, give it up, giving it at you. And they have one of those Oreo. I'm gonna get a can on board here. How about you fan it? And first, you have made 2 eggs. Oh. Oh. 1 egg, coming at you. Oh. That's gonna break it hard. We get from the mix all of those A, one of those M&M's and cookie mix, just so I can roll my friends up. And finally, I'll get a little more now. Very kapring. And here we go, son button. More of them. Cooking up. Me and ready. Coming at ya. Oh, keep praying. Get them up. Coming at ya. Hey, oh, keep praying. Oh, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Coming at ya. Oh. And together we're gonna mix it all everywhere. But first, we have before the egg, before sprinkles, has already there. Hello, my good heavens, this has with my owner has to be. This other thing. Oh. Gonna match ya. And they get open those same things, sprinkles. What do they get first? And finally, pow! As he has a celebration of like a cucumbers. And then Don't holler. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Banana me. Ooh, calamecha. And I gotta mix it up and it goes everywhere. I'm gonna get a scooper. But first, yeah, I have. And I'm gonna go the circle of a cookie tray. And my mom has even made in the food.